Three Idiots is about a life-changing story of a man who makes significant contribution to friends and other people in the field of engineering. It is a meaningful and detailed presentation of how a student really shows how it is important to teach. The story starts when Farhan Qureshi suddenly acts as if he is heart attacked after receiving a phone call from Chittoor/Island Sir, telling him that he finds Rancho Chinchad, his long-lost friends who has not had contact with him for almost 10 years. Farhan is then not on by the physician and escapes from the airport to search for his friend together with Raju Rastogi. While they are traveling the road towards Rancho's place, flashback scenes were being shown back to the chapters when the three idiots meet each other. May they enter the Imperial College of Engineering. Raju's family is very poor. His father is bedridden and his sister is not wed because the fiancé is asking for Okar as a dowry. They cannot provide that because the money is exact only for meals. This is why Raju strives hard to finish engineering and help his family. He is God-fearing. Ash worships God every day in his room. Rancho's first appearance in the movie is when a tradition is made at the college wherein freshmen were required to put their pants down as a sign of respect to the seniors. Rancho does not follow. Instead, he moves to his room. He connects meter stick and spoon together and then connects them to an electric current, causing penile electrocution of a senior who tries to pee on his door. He is not an ordinary student when he is sent out. He goes to classes on higher levels where he absorbs many information. Rancho helps a student, Joy Lobo, regarding his project which is rejected by virus. The inconsiderate professor, however, Joy cannot handle his feelings anymore and commits suicide with a note on the wall. I quit on Joy's burial. Rancho tells Virus that the incident is not a suicide, rather a murder. To Virus's anger, he brings forcefully Rancho to the classroom and tells him to teach how to teach. Rancho verbalizes moral lessons about the proper way of teaching. The three idiots, Raju, Rancho and Farhan, go to a wedding reception. They do not know that this is Virus's daughter's way. There, he first meets Priya, Virus's another daughter. Chittoor, aka Island Sir, is a student who is very boastful. He always wants to be on top. He distracts Sheesh classmates before exams by giving them sexy magazines. He wants to impress professors upon preparation of high speech. The three idiots make a plan. They screw his script by replacing the word serve to screw at he ceremony chat or delivers his speech without knowing that what he memorizes degrades the dignity of Virus. Embarrassed Virus in front of many people because of what happened, Chittoor curses the three idiots and asks him to have a deal after years. They will meet again to know who is more successful.